Welcome back, kitchen enthusiasts. We're in the kitchen and we're here to show you of which bakeware is the healthiest. Rest assured, we'll also provide you with the best examples of products you can consider buying at the end of this informational video. As always, all the links for the products we mentioned are in the description down below, as well as timestamps to help you navigate through the video. Before we begin, be sure to like the video and subscribe to stay with us in the kitchen, especially if you're interested in more informational list-related content just like this one. We spend the time and money to cook our meals using natural organic foods, yet exposing those nutritious ingredients to harmful pots, pans, and baking sheets defeats the purpose. Furthermore, some cookware and bakeware emit harmful components into the air that our family and pets breathe in when heated. Let's start with the ones to avoid before moving on to the healthiest cookware and bakeware options available. The first thing that you need to avoid is a cookware with aluminum. Aluminum is a mineral that can leach into your foods and has been linked to Alzheimer's disease, Parkinson's disease, autism, and asthma. The next thing is the non-stick products. At high temperatures, non-stick surfaces coated with polytetrafluoroethylene emit hazardous vapors that can kill pet birds and produce flu-like symptoms in humans. High cholesterol, thyroid issues, male infertility, and pregnancy complications have all been linked to PFOA. Lastly, cookware with copper should also be avoided. Copper toxicity is a minor concern while cooking on copper surfaces. When preparing acidic meals like tomatoes, the risk increases. Even if you don't think you'll acquire enough copper from your cookware to be hazardous, it's preferable to be safe. The good news is that the list of safe cookware and bakeware is longer than the list of things to avoid. If you're looking for some healthy cooking and baking products, consider adding any of the following to your holiday wish list. The first thing that you need to look for in cookware is if it's made with stainless steel. Stainless steel is inert, meaning it won't react with food or change the taste of your food. They're extremely sturdy, and any type of cooking equipment can be used on them without scratching or ruining the surface. For this cookware, our team recommends the Checkered Chef stainless steel baking sheet. This heavy-duty baking sheet has a rolled reinforced rim and is made of thick 304 stainless steel. These are long-lasting baking sheets that can be passed down through the generations. For a winning combo, our team found that the half-sheet pan is paired with the award-winning, best-selling oven-safe stainless steel baking or cooling rack. You can use this large baking pan with a cooling rack inserted to cook bacon in the oven, or use the cooking sheet alone to bake dozens of cookies and then cool them on the cooling rack. Cast iron cookware is also a safe material to check out. When cooking, it provides better heat dispersion and retention. This material can quickly and safely be transferred from the stovetop to the oven. For this cookware, our team recommends the Lodge Cast Iron Dual Handle Pan. This 12-inch Lodge Cast Iron skillet can be used in the oven, on the stovetop, on the grill, or over the campfire. Thanks to its large cooking surface and ergonomic dual assist handle design, our team would like to highlight that Lodge is unsurpassed in heat retention and even heating for decades of cooking. With its size and shape, it can be used for a variety of purposes while cooking in the wilderness. This dual-handle pan has 7-inch high sides, allowing you to stack it high with whatever foods or dishes you like. Furthermore, it's safe to use for heat up to 500 degrees, so there's no need to be concerned when using it in the woods, where the temperature of the fire might fluctuate drastically. Glass cookware must also be a possible safe cookware item. Pyrex and related glassware are both non-toxic and long-lasting. Non-reactive glass baking dishes and even pots will also not leach toxins into your food. If you can find some lids, they're also useful for storage and saving dishes. For this cookware, our team recommend the Pyrex Deep Baking Dish Set. The Pyrex Deep Baking Dish Set 6-piece is deeper than standard glass cookware sets, which is ideal if you cook for a large family or a group of friends. The dishes can be used to bake at dinner, store leftovers in the refrigerator, or reheat the casserole in the microwave. The BPA-free plastic lids that come with the kit are ideal for keeping your recipe fresh. The larger size prevents spillage and helps to keep your oven clean. One of the features that our team likes is it has a non-porous glass that doesn't absorb odors, flavors, or stains from food. Fourth is the ceramic and enamel cookware. Ceramic and enamel cookware has a naturally non-stick cooking surface, so smooth that a fried egg will slide straight out without any butter, making it a safer alternative to chemical-laden non-stick pans that is less expensive than titanium. For this cookware, our team recommends the CorningWare French White Round and Oval Ceramic Bakeware. The CorningWare has flexible ceramic pieces that aim to make your life easier and your table more beautiful, with their incredible ability to go from oven to table to refrigerator. For baking and serving, CorningWare is a must-have. It's an attractive bakeware set that can be used in the oven, on the table, and in the refrigerator. Our team loved the idea that in this classic French white design, you can bake and serve on one lovely plate. Simply cook and serve with the glass lids, and then store leftovers with the plastic lids. It contains BPA-free plastic lids that may be washed in the top rack of the dishwasher. Stoneware is another safe material that you need to look for. Stoneware of high quality is absolutely non-toxic, safe, and can last a lifetime if properly cared for. After repeated usage, it heats evenly and gets finely seasoned, resulting in a non-stick finish. For this cookware, our team recommends the Creuset Stoneware Heritage Covered Rectangular Casserole. Almost everyone has heard of Creuset, a well-known brand of essential kitchen cookware and bakeware. Our team found that this high-quality casserole dish is made by a legendary French business known for its long-lasting products. It's well worth the money only for the quality of the construction. This device is durable enough to withstand the difficulties of daily kitchen use. This 4-quart rectangular casserole dish can be used in the oven up to 500 degrees Fahrenheit, as well as the microwave, freezer, and dishwasher. The 12 by 9-inch dish also has scalloped handles on the dish and a tight-fitting lid with a looped handle for a secure grip. This popular option is available in 7 different colors, including a brilliant red and blue. Lastly, clay pot cookware is also an important material that you need to check out when cooking and baking. Clay cookware is made without the use of any hazardous materials or chemicals. It's environmentally friendly, safe to use in all kitchen appliances, and can be used with a variety of foods. Overall, cookware currently comes in a variety of styles and designs. Consider what you cook the most often and choose your cookware accordingly. Whether you go for a matching set or a mixture of different types, although most of the items in this list are non-toxic cookware, each option has advantages and disadvantages. The most versatile and easiest to maintain material is stainless steel. Those who frequently prepare acidic dishes such as tomato sauces may want to consider ceramic or copper. Cast iron is recommended for high-temperature cooking, while non-stick choices are recommended for easy cleanup. Finally, our suggestion is to choose the one that best fits your budget. But first, learn about the advantages and disadvantages of each choice before deciding which is ideal for you. And there you have it, folks, the In the Kitchen team's breakdown of the question, which bakeware is the healthiest? If you have any insights you would like to share with the team, do drop it in the comment section below, and we'll be sure to look it over for our next update. If you like this video and it helped you in any way, please do give it a like and hit the subscribe button so that you can stay connected and updated with all of our research into everything that makes our kitchens great. We look forward to seeing you in the kitchen again soon.